Send it to everyone you know.
We have a little Oriole here that hit
Fell.
our window and fell down.
Yeah, and it landed on his back. So he's recovering right now. Oriole, you're on video.
He fell from one story up onto some rocks. Now he's recovering.
Yeah.
And
He fell from 1.5 stories.
his beak was opened and he hit it real bad.
Looks like he's coming back too. Now he's moving his head around and doing much better.
Yeah. I wish I could pick it up.
Right, Amelia?
Yeah.
It would probably try flying away if we picked it up.
Yeah. It's so nice. Feel his belly.
Oh.
Feel his belly.
I saw his wing move.
Stop, don't feel his belly. Why? Because then he's gonna start trying to fly away.